How to create Instagram account. To create an Instagram account, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Instagram app. You can download the Instagram app for free from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Step 2. Sign up with email or phone number. Open the Instagram app and tap a Sign Up to create a new account. You can sign up with either your email address or phone number. Choose the option that you prefer and enter the required information. Step 3. Choose a username. Choose a unique username that will be your Instagram handle. This will be your public profile name and how others will find you on Instagram. You can also change your username later if you wish.